Greetings, this is ◪👉🕋, your divine plant diva. Just enjoying myself in Vegas. I went out to the store and got a bouquet. Since I can't really bring flowers on the plane or plant on the plane, I actually just go and get flowers. Look at these beautiful arrangements, so lovely. So lovely to enjoy myself while I'm here. But today I'm making some sausage croissants. Croissant sandwich, and as you know, I am going to be eating plant-based original sausages because I don't eat meat. And I have my dairy, my cheese, and my egg, and a little bit of butter that I'm going to be making for you today. See there, I put the sausage and the cheese on there and the croissant on top. I'm waiting for the cheese to melt. And voila, I have my sandwich, and it's really tasty looking. And I put some chips to it because it's gonna make a good, I guess for me, it's dinner now. So bon appetit.